So I'm going to go back
Your
to
wellness, net,
adjusting
transportation,
that
shopping list,
sensitivity.
devices that are linked to your assistant.
There you go. So I could go into that devices, or I could go to the magic word adjustment.
Hey Google, sensitivity. Choose the device you want to be more or less responsive to Hey Google, audit list.
So you want to choose a device, you want to adjust its sensitivity.
Dining room display, dining room, -1, sensitive, in list.
So since I'm sitting here in the office, I'm going to adjust the one here in the office.
Master bedroom Wi-Fi, office, -1, sensitive.
I tap
Assistant
here,
settings. Navigate up, button, audit list.
and here we have a slider that you can change. So it has three different sensitivities: less sensitive, more sensitive, or default.
Office Wi-Fi. Office. -1.
-1.
Sensitive. Slider, 25%.
25%. So if I decrease it to like 0,
Slider, 0%. Sensitive. -2.
so it's now -2. Now if I go back to the slider
Slider, 0%.
and let's go to 50, watch.
Slider, 25%.
I hit the up volume
Sensitivity
to
saved.
increase the
Give it a try and adjust again if needed. Slider, 50%.
okay. So
Slider, 75%.
and
Your device's sensitivity may change over time as Google makes updates to improve quality. Sensitivity applies to anyone using this device.
okay.
Slider, 75% sensitive. +1.
So that's at +1. If I put it at 100, that's going to be at +2. It's going to be extra sensitive. So in this case, I'm going to put it down
Sensitivity applies to anyone.
at 0%.
Slider, 75%.
I'm going to go
Slider,
down to
50%.
0.
Sensitivity saved. Give it a try and adjust again if needed. Slider, 25%.
0.
Slider, 0%.
So I have adjusted the office Wi-Fi, the assistant here. So I have adjusted it and put it at 0%. So it's not going to be responding when I'm asking something using the phone that I'm holding in my hand. And that's how you go about setting the sensitivity on your device. And that will be it for setting up the sensitivity.
Thanks, Warren.